Hi everyone. Today this video is very interesting because I am going to share you some of my secret to learn new tech skills and how I use this technique to diversify my skills.
I'm Sonu Kumar. I am currently heading tech at a healthcare startup and have over 12 years of experience across different tech stacks and roles. During my experience, I have command of more than 7 tech stacks. Today, I will give you a step-by-step guide to adding more relevant tech stacks to your profile. Step 1. Why you want to learn this? This question is very important. It might be because you want to contribute to your current company or because you think your tech stack is deprecated and you need to switch. First, you need to define where you are going to utilize this new skill. It will help you define a clear roadmap. Remember, in tech, without practice and real work, you can't command any skill. So there must be a solid path for your new skill use.
It can be a pet project for personal improvement, diversifying your role in your current company, or a new opportunity.
Step 2, don't start coding from day one. Go through some end-to-end articles and try to relate them to your current tech stack. Once this is sorted, you will understand the core concepts. I will add some good platform URLs in the description that I usually use for this. Step 3. Now let's do coding. Create your first pet project and deploy it in the cloud. Nowadays, cloud services are a bit cheaper, so you can buy them for yourself. Step 4, buy a simple course from Udemy or Coursera. It will serve as a bookmark for you, so whenever you get stuck on any concept, you can refer back to it and clear your doubts. I never go through all the course content, only the parts relevant to my project. Step 5, note, you are learning for yourself, so don't always expect the company to give you time for this. Use your non-office hours and weekends initially, as it will require some extra effort. One more thing, now with ChatGPT or Gemini, it's become easy to code and clear your doubts, so start practicing. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and insights. See you in the next video.